Here's a brief story-style summary of Ryo Tatsuki's book, The Future I Saw, complete edition, focused on her prediction for July 5, 2025. The Sea That Rose at 4:18 a.m. is a story based on Tatsuki's vision. On a quiet morning in July 2025, the world was still asleep, unaware that deep beneath the Philippine Sea, the earth stirred. At 4:18 a.m., with no warning, the seabed suddenly exploded upward, not from human action, but from a violent force of nature. The sea boiled, bubbled, and began to form a monstrous wave, one that grew 3 times taller than the one that had ravaged Japan in 2011. As the wave approached, it wasn't just water. In Ryo Tatsuki's dream, she saw 2 dragon-like shadows swirling in the sea. These dragons were not evil, but ancient guardians or witnesses of what was about to unfold. She stood on a skywalk in Yokohama, watching helplessly as the massive wall of water moved inland. The sky turned dark, the land trembled, entire coastlines were swallowed. The map changed. The wave's power was so immense that a land bridge appeared, briefly connecting Japan to Taiwan, Hong Kong, and the Philippines. Communication lines collapsed. Electricity failed. Fear and silence followed. But even in the darkness, the dream didn't end in despair. Survivors gathered. They built fires. They sang. From the wreckage, a new era began, not ruled by machines or money, but by heart and soul. The wave had washed away more than buildings. It had washed away illusions. And through it all, Ryo Tatsuki reminded the reader, this is not fate, it is a warning. If we wake up, this future can change.